Olivia here and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a simple and beautiful nature activity to support our children's numeracy development, which is called Nature Find and Count. In this activity, we will need to find some natural resources outside in your garden, such as flowers, stone, leaves, and so on. A piece of A3 paper, a permanent marker. These are all we need. Let's get started. This activity can help children learn to count, write numbers, and develop hand-eye coordination. Children also have the opportunity to sort resources by counting one resource at a time. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. I will see you next time. Bye!